Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on your YouTube channel. First of all, go to youtube.com. When you open your app, this is a brand new channel that I created for this tutorial. Look below at the right corner of your screen. You will see this icon here. You can click on it. Next it will take you to this page. Then you will see view channel. Click on it. Then next you will see edit. Click on it. Then now today we are focusing on how to change your profile pics. As you can see here now, you click on this camera here. In my own case, I want to use this one. Once you select it, you adjust the cropping. Then click on save as profile picture. Just go back. And as you can see that we have already changed our profile picture. Let us view it. This is our profile picture. That is the end of the video for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.